All right, here's a great tip for you. There's a couple of shorter holes out here this week. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using my hybrid, and I'm gonna be hitting a little stinger shot to send it down the fairway. So what I do with this particular shot is simply play it back in my stance. I like to think of a stinger shot very similar to a bump and run chip shot. Now I'm gonna be swinging more aggressively. I'm gonna be having a lot more club head speed, but the essential setup is about the same. So what I do is I take my ball, instead of setting it up kind of middle to front of my stance, I'm gonna set it up almost back off my back heel. As I do that, the club face is going to aim out to the right because I've simply put the ball back. So you don't want the ball going out to the right with the club face. You want it to go straight. So all I do is close the club face. So just think of a back of the stance chip shot type setup. So ball's off the back foot, face is slightly closed. And now what I'm going to do is just hit kind of down level through, make sure that club face stays square. Okay, you'll see that slightly abbreviated follow through, and that's because the ball was back in my stance, and as I struck the ball and hit down, I wanted to keep that face moving level to the ground and not release it up in the air. So hopefully that tip helps you understand how to hit that little stinger, maybe with a hybrid, long iron, or fairway wood.